Hi friends, it's Miss Sarah. Today we're going to make really cool scratch art. Your kit is going to come with your winter hat template, which you will be using, a couple pieces of pastels, some black acrylic paint, and a little barbecue skewer to make your scratches. You will need to have your own paintbrush and scissors, but everything else will come with it. So the first thing we're going to do is color in our hat. Doesn't matter how you do it, we're going to paint over it, but I found the easiest way is to color it first so you can go over the lines and not have to worry, and then cut it out after that. So I'm just going to quickly show you what I mean about coloring it with some random colors. Most important thing is to remember that you want to make sure there are no white spots. You want to completely color it in. But it does not matter how you design it or what colors you use. I'm just going to quickly do some coloring over here. And you can press down good enough. You don't have to smudge it, but you just want to make sure that you get everything. And because it is an oil pastel, it is, like I said, a lot easier to do before cutting it out. All right. And let's see, a little bit of blue I think would be nice. All right, so this is my hat. Like I said, does not matter how you do it. Now you can cut it out, it'll be a lot easier. All right, so I'm just going to cut that out, and then we will get to our black paint. So, as you can see, it looks just like that, and it looks much better without all of the colors outside the lines. So the next thing you're going to do is you want to make sure you have a surface to work on because you might get some acrylic paint everywhere, but it's alright. So we are just going to paint right over it. So you're going to just paint over everything you just did, and it'll be alright. You'll see it again at the end. This is something we used to love doing in the 90s. All right. Just a thin coat over the whole thing. Just make sure that you cover every little bit of color. And it will take a little bit to dry, so I'm going to just pause the video and come back in a few minutes when it's dry to show you the next step. But this is what it looks like, just completely covered over. And actually, if you have a really cool piece of paper, you could have a really cool design with that too. But anyway, this is what it looks like, and I will be back, friends, to show you how to make the scratch art. All right, be back. All right, friends, welcome back. So this is what it's gonna look like, completely dry, just completely black and covered over. And now the fun part begins. I did forget to mention, a good tip is even though you can use your pastels to paint before cutting it out, you do not want to paint with the acrylic paint before cutting it out because you won't be able to see the lines to cut the hat through the black paint. Okay, so now you're just going to take your bamboo skewer stick and you can make any design you want. So I'm gonna just make some hearts and some stars. And you'll get a little black. Some of the paint will come off, so you could just shake it off however you want to do it. I'm just going to make some random designs so you can see exactly how this works. I'm just going to do a whole bunch of stars, and then also because I used a lot of the same colors, you'll see why you want to make sure you have different colors because it looks way cooler. So like I said, decorate it however you would like to. And if you have some pom-poms, you could put those on the top as well. But this is what it comes out to. You'll have all the colors that you did, and you're just going to be scratching through. So you can put your name, you can put stars, smiley faces, however you would like to design it. So that's it, my friends. That is our scratch art. If you have other designs and some acrylic paint at home and pastels, you can do whatever design you would like. It's a lot of fun. You can be really creative and just enjoy your day. So friends, stay warm out there, and I hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day, friends.